Hey guys, gonna have a little bit of fun today. So we made a video a while back. You guys might remember this on this Tyco revival, okay? We called this guy Mullet Mike. Just having some fun with it. So we actually had a couple of people write in that they wanted to send cars out to race against Mullet Mike, so match race. We've got one of those cars here, courtesy of Wesley Young from Bomb Ass Beef Jerky. So looks like it's an Auto World car. I don't think it's an AFX. I'm pretty sure it's an Auto World. X-Traction, definitely been blueprinted. I don't know what else is done to it, but he said this is Camaro Steve. I'm sending him out to whoop on Mullet Mike. So Sam and I are like, all right, let's go, you know. So let's head over to the drag strip. I'm not gonna oil them. I'm not gonna do any of that stuff just because we did a whole video on that for this. And hopefully Camaro Steve was sent lubed up and ready to rip. But we will run, we'll do a best out of 3. We'll do a best out of 5. How about that? All right, first up, we will go with Camaro Steve in the right lane. Soon as, there we go. Mullet Mike in the left lane. So I think Mullet Mike might have done like some of those weird popping wheelies last time because didn't we put different tires on it and it started doing some weird stuff. But I'll set the bracket here real quick. So MM and CS, Mullet Mike, Camaro Steve. Okay. Let's see what happens. They are staged. This is a grudge race. Let's see who takes it. Wow. Camaro Steve just put a beating on Mullet Mike.
Stalled it off the line.
Yeah, he was just spinning the tire. Holy smokes. Look at 2-second lap to Steve runs a 785. Mike, come on, dude. That's pathetic.
He needs to wake up.
This is hilarious.
He forgot to take the load of bricks out of his trunk.
Yeah. Okay, so they're still running heads up. I'm gonna throw a W up here for Camaro Steve.
Okay.
Sam's gonna go ahead and run these ones. We'll get a start line takeoff. Oh, and look at, he goes further in the shutdown. So if they were racing in the shutdown, it's about all old Mullet Mike has on him. Steve runs a 793. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious here. Steve just smoked him. But just to make this a little bit more interesting, let's pretend that this was SCDRL and those were just qualifying passes. So we're gonna go a 600, or sorry, a 700 versus a 199. So I will put in here, just like if we were running our top limiter. This is just for fun now. I mean, Camaro Steve smoked him. So left lane, we'll do Mullet Mike with a 1.9. Right lane, Camaro Steve, 0.7. So he's gonna get a head start. This could be a photo finish. So Sam, make sure you're down there for this. Mullet Mike in the right lane. Camaro Steve in the left lane. Gonna have a 1.2 second head start, which crap, that's gotta be to like right here, huh? So it's gonna be a good one. So here we go. Let's see what happens with the index.
Wrong lanes.
I put them in there wrong. Gosh, dang it. It's all right. It happens. I'd rather it happen on this video than in our SCDRL racing. Did have a huge breakout because I had the car set up wrong, but right lane is gonna be Camaro Steve. Left lane will be Mullet Mike. We're gonna do that over again. The finish margin on that last one was 1,000 seconds, just in case you were wondering. Here we go. Oh, breakout in the left lane, runs an 876. So Steve still takes that one, still takes it. So because Mullet Mike broke out, we'll put Mullet Mike in the 1.8 bracket this time. 1.8. Steve stays in that that 0.7. This is all for entertainment, guys. Bragging rights. Mullet Mike sucks. Steve's ripping. Here we go. We'll run him again. 1.1 second head start. Oh, that time Steve smoked him again. So Steve takes it. Finish margin was a whole 1/10 of a second. Mullet Mike slowed down big time that time to a 194, which would have been pretty good. It would have been enough to take it if he was still in that 1.9, but you know, he just couldn't handle it. Should we go ride on the road course just to see?
Why not? See how they handle.
Just see what happens. Okay, let's go up to the road course. All right, guys, we're just gonna do a little bit of track testing here. Sam and I were just talking about why Mullet Mike is so slow. And what happened was in the video, we put tires and we did stuff to it to make it faster. And when I put the car away, I took all the tires and stuff off. I put it back. So this isn't a true representation of Mullet Mike. And we're gonna go in the office after we do some playing right here. And we're gonna see how well he does with some upgrades. But still pretty decent on here. It's pretty slick. I don't know what voltage we're at right now, but it feels like it's kind of high for this car. See if I can get around without, I can't even get a lap in. We'll try Steve. Oh yeah, Steve's got a lot of traction. So if you want to watch my finger, I am driving the snot out of this thing. Okay, and then just for reference, the Viper Spec Racer, it's pretty much flat out on this voltage, which that's what most people think you're doing when you're driving a fast slot car. That's, I mean, it's the case here because the power's turned down, but yeah, nobody likes that. So this track's too small for a car like this to run on full power, but let's get some fresh tires on our boy Mike, Mullet Mike. Okay, put my Spec Racer back. And I think, let's see, this thing, I don't even know what tires we put on this thing, but I think it's, are we still rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So it's a 275 rim, 223 wide. So 275 rim, that is a little bit big, but we should be able to put some V-Spec tires on there. Which I don't have a V-Spec in here right now. Actually, I do. Make sure. Yes, so we're gonna put some V-Spec tires on there. The fronts I'm not gonna bother changing because the thing's freaking bouncing and hopping and doing all kind of stuff. But this is basically just gonna be a rear tire change. And I think that is why we had said that he was wheeling in before. So I know that, you know, probably we aren't supposed to tune the car in this video, but we'll go try it like this and maybe even pull the front tires off of here to make it a little bit more even of a heads up race. So let's go back to the track. We're gonna go back to heads up. Full tree. Steve in the right lane. Our boy Mullet Mike, the left lane. All we did was rear tires on this thing. Hopefully get it running a little bit better. Okay, that was a little bit closer, but still got smoked. So we'll pop the front tires off and we'll see, but I think Camaro Steve, I mean, we got to give it to him. So Camaro Steve ripping the denim. matches the car. I mean, you know, he's got it all together. Mullet Mike, I mean, you are party up front, but nothing like Camaro Steve has. So same thing, but we took the front tires off. See if that gets anything better out of them. And nothing. Wheelied up out of the slot. So that's it. We declare Camaro Steve the winner. Wesley Young, congratulations. You won the virtual prize of bragging rights over
And a big thumbs up.
Mullet Mike. So great job. If you guys do ever want to send stuff in for stuff like that, or if you have two cars that you actually do want to grudge against each other, love to have you send them in. It could be part of the SCDRL stuff too. We could run them at that same time. We probably should have done that in SCDRLs as an exhibition run, but we thought we'd make a separate video for it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.